Have you ever wondered how you can create a batch of quotes really quickly for your social media? Well, I'm just going to show you how you can do that with Canva. So I'm Jan Kearney, I'm the host of HaltonHour, and while I was just playing around with Canva at the moment, I thought I'd record this as well. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm going to create a batch of 10 quotes, branded really easily, really quickly in Canva. This is Canva Pro. So the first thing you need to do is set up your quote. This is a nice simple quote one. It's one of the templates that has been changed to the brand colours, and then what we need to do is connect the bits that we're going to change, which are these two text points here, and connect them to a spreadsheet. So I've just put 10 quotes here, what the quote is, who the author is. You can do as many as you want. I've just used 10 because it's quick, easy and simple to demonstrate. So come back over to Canva, and down here you'll see bulk create. Click the button. First thing we need to do is add your data. Really quick way to do it is to add your data manually, because I've only got 10, but you can upload a CSV. So I'm going to pick my data, let's copy that, and I'm going to paste it in here. So that makes life easier if you actually say what you're doing, so it's easier to connect up. You'll see why in a minute. And then click done. So now we need to right click where we want to connect these data points. So the first one we're doing here is the quote itself. So we're going to connect the data, and we're going to connect it with the quote, which is the title, and then we're going to do the same for the name. Connect the data, click the name, and once you've got everything where you want it to be and you're fairly happy, you can then click continue. So now it's selected these here, so we'll generate the 10 designs, and off it goes. There we go. So there's 10 quotes done really easily, and all you need to do then is just adjust so they fit better. You can make things, so the first one obviously is fine. The second one, we can move our quote up a bit, and then make it a little bit wider, and just so it's a little bit more readable, and click our quote up a bit, and you can go through and just adjust everything so it sits a little bit better and it's readable. And the other thing you can do is, just so it's you've got a bit of variety when you're posting all these, is to change the colouring and stick within your brand colours. Let's just fix him there so we can read it. That's a big one, isn't it? That one might be a little bit long. What we'll do is we'll just knock it down a little touch and then move this over there and this over here. So then what we can do is go over to brand and see these colours, select your page and shuffle, so you can choose which colours you want so that they stay within your brand style and your brand colours till you found one that you like. And play with it till your heart is content, and then you can download it and share across your socials, and you've done that within, well, it's less than 5 minutes, isn't it? So have fun with that, and don't forget to join me over at HaltonHour on Twitter, now X, every Thursday at 8 o'clock. Do a bit of local community networking. Speak to you soon.